Hi, I'm Brian Gillette, and I'm talking to you here from downtown Anaheim, California. We recently, relatively recently moved into our loft, and we've been redoing room by room, and the bathroom was in sore need of a remodel. It had a bathtub, so I actually reached out on the web and through Angie's List and what have you, and read reviews. There was a sense of trust immediately for me, and I signed right on the spot. We have a lot of original art, theatrical art, and the bedroom was very, very Art Deco, but I wanted the bathroom to become a little bit stretched beyond the Art Deco into the Hollywood Regency period. So I designed the bathroom to complement the bedroom, but to be a little bit more on the Hollywood Regency style. So very glitzy, a lot of shiny project, a lot of mirror. The top of the shower is actually tiled, which was totally David's idea. I never would have thought of that, and it was brilliant because it looks so killer. The workers were very, very professional. I think they did a fantastic job. The bathroom has actually turned out beautifully. I am so happy with it, and it is an amazing wow factor. Every visitor who actually comes in drops their jaw and at amazement how beautiful the bathroom is. I would definitely recommend High Tech Builders to friends and family. Thank you very much, High Tech Builders. Thank you, David. It was a wonderful project. So happy with the bathroom. Thank you very much.